In fast-paced work environments, your employees need hands-free technology that can accelerate them, keeping them agile, comfortable, and ready for anything. That's why we've created our next-gen WT6400 and WT5400, the latest purpose-built Android wearables, with all new features and capabilities. Both devices come standard with larger-than-ever 4.7-inch touchscreen displays, future-proofed OS platforms, and 3 times faster speeds through all-new Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, allowing workers to see and interact more easily, work more efficiently, and stay connected to the people and information they need on the go. With fast and easy snap-on, snap-off wrist mounting capabilities, and 3 versatile wrist strap options that adjust to fit any user, you can ensure maximized comfort and productivity. Choose the right features for the right environment. Select the WT6400 model for more rigorous and demanding environments, offering easily accessible integrated keypads, as well as trusted, uninterrupted operation in harsh freezer environments. For less demanding environments, look no further than the all-new WT5400. It's ideal for fast-paced retail applications, with just the right features you need, but all the speed and productivity you're asking for. Whether your work is in a distribution center, on a plant floor, or in a store, Zebra's latest wearables are purpose-built to move with you and offer access to everything you need the exact moment you need it. The WT6400 and WT5400 wearable computers. Only from Zebra.